What's up guys, and welcome to the 10th lesson of these terminal videos. And in this tutorial it's all about compiling your first ever C program that we coded in the previous tutorial. If you haven't seen that, go check it out now. Okay, cd desktop semicolon ls-l. If you don't know what that is, go back, check all the previous tutorials, come back to this one, and let's compile the program. Okay, gcc. But before we do that, cat prog1, just to show you guys what we're compiling. GCC prog1 -o prog1, get rid of that. Takes its time. /prog1, and there you go, hello world. So that's how you compile your first ever hello world C program on the terminal. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.